Now let's look at this figure 23-10A. We're still dealing with load 2, but we're dealing with the receptacle load 2, which is the general purpose receptacles, but all of these receptacles are used at non-continuous. So we have 150, and we're applying 220.14A, or I, excuse me, at 180 VA per outlet. But now we can apply our table 220.44 because we've exceeded 10,000. Now, when we say exceeded 10,000, let's look at the step 1, calculating receptacle load and applying demand factors. 220.14I and 230.42A1 is applicable in step 1. 150 receptacles times 180 VA, 27,000. So see, we've exceeded 10,000. So step 2 now, and table 220.44 can be applied. First 10,000 from 27,000 is 17,000 at 50%, 8,500. So we have 10,000 VA plus 8,500 VA, 18,500. By applying the demand factor less than 1, less than 100%, then you see how we have reduced from 27,000 VA to 18,500 VA. So in the solution, the demand factor for the receptacles is 18,500 VA, and that's exactly what this figure 23-10A is illustrating to the user of the NEC.